All right, so in this video, we're gonna take a close look at the thank you set, which comes with these adorable 7 designer templates. They, of course, do work well together. You can layer them together from a size point of view. They really have fun clusters you can create. Now, of course, you can use this on cards, which is really great for using up your scraps of paper in various different ways, and you can see how easily those layer all the designs together, or even give that very simple, elegant look to your designs easily, effortlessly. I love it. And so I love these little leaves that come with it. Again, multiple sizes. So if you wanted to layer, of course, these with each other, you could do something like that. The little bird and the house. So cute, right? Now, of course, I don't want to just limit these to cards, even though the thank you sentiment is stenciled into the larger flower, number 7 here in this thank you kit, which allows you to either trace it onto, like, for example, on this one, I traced it onto a white card base, and I just traced that on, and then I took my stickles and then just followed the guidelines that I just traced in pencil and added that to the card. So that's one way to use it. You, of course, could just doodle it onto a card using a fine point pen. You can use modeling paste, which is what this is, and I just glazed that over the thank you and added it to the card, and then offsetted it with some of these adorable flowers and butterflies, or in this case, the vertical one, the house and the bird. So really cute, right? And I love the little heart and the trim on this house in so many fun different colors you can pull in from your paper. But it's also really cute on a scrapbooking page, just for those little bit of refinement and details. So you can see here, these little flowers are so cute. Down here we have the bird and the bird house kind of sitting on this branch here. The butterfly just kind of taking a carefree stroll across your page. So really cute to incorporate those into your design as well. And one last thing I wanted to share about this kit that is such a fun technique to use when anytime you have like these larger flowers too. Not only are they really cute to kind of layer and cluster together, but for example, I went ahead and traced and cut this one out. And if you want to make it into a 3D flower, you just start your cut and then go into a swirl motion. It doesn't have to be perfect. You're just kind of following that line, maybe keeping about a ½ inch away from the edge where you made your last cut. And so you're just gonna follow that all the way to the middle. And that's just another fun way to use this larger flower in this set. Kind of gives you this nice swirl. You could ink all those edges and it would show up beautifully. You could take your pencil and you can wrap that to tighten it a little bit. And if I'm using it on a scrapbook page, I'll actually loosen it here in a moment. I should have done the pencils, the eraser side. There we go. So you just kind of keep going, keep going, keep going. Just wrap that all the way up around your pencil. You can pull it tighter if you want. I like to kind of let it fall back loose in this case, right? And just imagining that beyond on a page, it would be so cute. Little button or brad in the middle there. And if you really want to, you could just crumble it, give it a little bit more flatness, and then of course bend it back out. And what that does is just kind of make it a little, it's not as bulky, so when you go to add it to your page again, it kind of has a little bit more flat to it. And so you could flatten it down again, just quickly add that dimension to the flower. So that's another fun way that you can utilize this adorable design in the thank you set. And of course, a lot of other fun ways you can dress up your butterflies, add different patterns as the wings, add different patterns as the birds, patterns for the houses. Just really have a lot of fun with this set on your scrapbooking pages and your cards to utilize that thank you sentiment inside of the designer template. Either way, you can't go wrong. Can't wait to see what you play to create. Make sure to share it with us in the community. Bye now.